Adventure of Arjun based on preposition. ப்ரிப்போசிஷன் எப்படி பயன்படுத்தலாம்ன்றதை இந்த ஸ்டோரியை நீங்கள் கேட்கறதுனால நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். இந்த ஸ்டோரியை நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் போடுறேன். பலமுறை பார்த்து பயனடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். தேங்க்யூ. ஹரிசங்கர் ரங்கநாதன், இன்ட்யூஷன் இன்ஸ்பயர்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ. Once upon a time, there lived a young man named Arjun in a small village near a river. His house stood above the water, beside a large banyan tree. One day, Arjun heard about the treasure hidden across the deep forest. According to the villagers, no one had ever returned from that place. Although many people were afraid, Arjun decided to go anyway. Before sunrise, he packed his bag and prepared for the journey. He started walking along the narrow road towards the hills, full of hope and courage. As soon as Arjun entered the forest, he saw animals moving around him and tall trees rising above the ground. He moved as fast as he could, but carefully. During the journey, he felt tired because of the heat, yet he continued forward. He crossed a bridge over the river and climbed up the rocky path, facing every challenge bravely. Suddenly, Arjun slipped and fell down beneath a large rock. For a moment, he stayed still. Unfortunately, he was not hurt. Instead of returning home, he stood up again and decided to move on. Inside the forest, among all trees, Arjun saw a dark cave in front of him. Perhaps this was the place he was looking for. Even though he was scared, Arjun walked into the cave slowly, as if someone was watching him. Meanwhile, rain started falling outside. Finally, deep inside the cave, he saw a treasure box placed between two stones. Indeed, he had found it. Smiling with joy, Arjun took the box and walked out of the cave. He knew he could succeed through courage. Then he returned home safely. Therefore, Arjun learned whatever happens, one should never give up.